everybody! Welcome back to my channel. It's one of those rainy, cloudy days here, and I have been having a wonderful, relaxing time listening to some Mara Joy and enjoying being in my Oasis bathroom. About to play some dress up. So I'm gonna make today's video a little special and really take my time and enjoy playing in this wig, because this wig is another natural texture wig, and long natural textured wigs make me feel like a princess. So that's what I'm gonna do. So she came in this lovely satin bag. Oh my gosh, and she's 22 inches long, so I am gonna have a blast with her. And it's this beautiful yaki straight texture, and she's got kinky edges. I want to give you guys a close-up of the texture so you can see she's natural brown, so you can see how she looks fresh out of the bag. I'll show you a little of the cap construction. She's got 2 temple combs, and then there's 1 comb right here that goes like right here on your head, I guess. And then she's got a nape comb and adjustable straps. And I am going to show you Shapapalo because she had got a makeover. Okay, listen. In my defense, it is very difficult to put lashes on somebody else. Yeah, that's better. So this is a better way for you to see the kinky edges. So this particular wig is 13 by 6 inches of parting space. So in preparation for putting on this unit today, I went ahead and I did the ball cap method. So I was in my husband's side of the bathroom and I found this. He done took all my Got2b glue products. He took my spray. I had to go get a new spray today. And also, I got this Ebin tinted lace spray in the same color that I use to hide my knots. And I'm so impressed with the product, I said, well, let me try to spray. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray the inside cap of this wig. I'm gonna go ahead and attach my adjustment bands where I would like them, and then see how this fits. I got a medium-sized cap, and that seems to fit me perfectly. See, it's giving elegance already. So here's how the baby hairs look. Don't worry, I'm gonna get closer. But before I do, I'm gonna spray the inside of the cap. That's really, wow. Since this was my first time using that product, I now know that if you're gonna spray, don't spray that much. And so here's how long it is. So the wig is installed on my head, and that was just your basic installation. You could go glueless if you like, but one thing I will say is that if you decide to go glueless and your cap is peeking through, it's gonna be noticeable. So do things to make it not noticeable, I guess. But like I said, I did the ball cap method. So unfortunately, sometimes with the ball cap method is that when you're trying to apply your wig over it, if you use anything that's a little wet, it can activate the ball cap and make it slide back. So anyway, I really like how these edges came out. This looks very natural. I did notice that as I was brushing my hair, I did brush the kink out, so they look a little bit straighter than they came. And you could add water to reactivate that curl. But I kind of like what I'm going for here, because since the hair is kinky straight, it does look a little bit more like these are the edges to this hair. So I'm going to go ahead and start styling. I'm gonna aim for 2 styles today. I'm gonna do a sleek look so that you can see what it looks like with the kinky edges, and then I'm gonna do my favorite, some curls, because you know I love curls. Okay, that took probably about 6-7 minutes. And for some reason, I like to add a little curl at the end when I press my hair. But the pressed yaki texture is gorgeous. Very light. I used this Turn Up the Heat flat iron protection from Sally's because I love the smell. It smells like cotton candy. I've been using this mess. The real OGs know I've been using this since I started this YouTube channel now. That was a while ago. And the hair is 150% density, so you don't have to worry about it being too thin. It is not like gonna be super thick when you press it. It's the perfect like thickness. Perfect for like a low ponytail. It looks very natural, and if you want to, you can add a little slide cut, do some face framing layers. I'm not gonna touch it, honey, because it's beautiful. So I got my straightening comb out because I was gonna, you know, do all that. I had some wax sitting right here, and I was gonna make it look perfect. But you know what? Sometimes when you make hair look perfect or too, you know what I mean? Like, you ever see the hairstyles that girls rock sometimes, and it's like the part is severe, honey, and the curl is crisp. You know what I mean? I like some styles to look touchable. I want it to look soft. So I'm not gonna add any wax or any spray like that if I were to continue wearing this textured hair straightened like this. So I'm gonna put this up so I don't accidentally burn myself. I don't really like to use really heavy heat protectants, like the heavy, thick silicone ones, unless you use a very, very small amount and you really work it through your strands. I prefer using sprays because they do leave your hair very light and very flowy. So now I'm gonna try some wand curls. Okay, so I had these curls sitting in here for a very short amount of time, probably not as much as you probably would want to, but who cares? I'm ready to see the curls. I told you this hair was princess hair. Yeah, summer's still a little bit warm. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Tell me which one of the 2 styles you like the most. I think that the first one is more practical because, let me tell you something, as much as I love me some Aquanet, ain't enough hairspray in the world to keep the humidity from doing what it do. So these curls are gonna fall eventually, but you can't tell me that wand curls on some yaki hair isn't majestic. It's magical, girl. Where is my unicorn? All the information about this unit will be in the description box below. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!